Oh boy. Oh God. Well, that got a little hairy.
So day 11, hopefully the last day. We had never seen any of this before, but we were excited that we might finish. We were also open to the possibility that we might camp one more night.
Either we'd make it or we'd get 15 miles away or something, you know. So I think we all wanted to make it to the end, because who wants to stop with an hour of riding left? I didn't want to rush it so much that we didn't have a good time, but I think we wanted to get to the end. We were motivated to finish.
We could smell the end. I think I was trying to get all the guys going early again, but per usual failed about that. So we didn't start as early as we probably should have.
This is day 10 or 11? 11?
I am also kind of wondering how to get across this.
Our toes might get a little wet, but
I think that was probably our coldest morning. I think it started basically every layer and then took it off within 20 minutes.
That anticipation, that possibility of potentially finishing on this day was pretty exciting. This is one of the most beautiful sections of trail I've ever seen. I just have to say that.
But the trail proved to be incredible. It's probably the section of trail that I would happily go back and ride. So I think it'd be even more fun without a loaded down bike.
that's just incredible. The fact that like we went over some of those probably, maybe.
Indian Trail Ridge is insane. It's not easy, it's pretty rocky, but the views that you get off both sides of the ridge are so spectacular.
It was like cliffs and boulders on either side, you know, so it was a little intimidating as I'm afraid of heights, but it was a cool, unique section of trail.
When we hit Kennebec Pass, I think we all knew that we were going to finish this day. And that was an amazing feeling. We knew that there was one more significant climb, but the rest of the trail was mostly downhill.
By the time we got 20 miles from the end, everyone was, you know, you could tell we were all excited to finish, and we were committed to doing so. So I think we texted Evan on the way down. I was like, yeah, we're going to make it.
So at Kennebec Pass, I just thought, you know what? I've had the GoPro on the whole trip. It's time to get a little bit different perspective. So we let Nick strap on the GoPro, and we're going to call it the Banana Cam, and it's going to take us through the rest of the trail here.
Okay, welcome to the Banana Cam. Got about 3,000 feet of descending here. Just tore that one up. A little off trail. Might be able to see a pair of Crocs in the image. Use those all trip to carry all sorts of things. Pop-Tarts, inner tubes. Inner tubes didn't work very well. Burritos, yeah. Pretty convenient when you're out of space. Oh, looks like some lava rock here. Oh. Too much air. Too much air. Man, what a freaking view. Wow. My hose is in the way. Hey, gum. That's like a cliff to the right. I don't know if you can see that. I'm really afraid of heights. So yeah, I try not to like look over the sky. Oh boy. Oh god. it got a little hairy. Woo! That rock just like kicked up in my pedals right there. Oh, we're stopping. Oh God. Okay, welcome back to the banana cam. We have descended about 500 feet since our last clip. I gotta catch up with these guys. Give me one moment. So yeah, the terrain has changed a little bit. Got some trees. You might be able to see up there in front of Zach. That's Jake Hennington. He's our other partner in crime on this trip. He dropped his hard, but he waited, so you know. Oh my God! Check out this. Check this out. Can you see it? All right, sweet. Oh. Looks like we got a switchback coming up, so we are going to evaluate the technique of these riders in front of us. We've got an unclip. Oh, we got a fully off the bike.
I would have gone.
There we go.
Could this be the last hike of the CT? Maybe? Whew. I don't think so. Well, we've got 292 feet left to climb here. It's like smaller than an Ohio climb. A little bit of sunlight. I'm about to rip 10 miles down the mountain. Hopefully we have enough light to make it. If not, we got the headlights. All right, stay tuned. And there's the top.
Final 9.8 miles of the Colorado Trail. Man, the end of these adventures are always special. That's all I gotta say about that. Okay. The airtime there. Check out this awesome, beautiful, holy cow. And the Crocs go wild. Busting through this. Oh, Jake's taking the high line. Oh! Look at that. Oh, just hit something. Oh. That probably used way too much suspension track. trouble seeing the trail. But it's not really a problem. Yeah, it's pretty dark here.
When we finally saw the end of the trail, the headlights shining at us, and seeing that trailhead, just the most amazing feeling. After having tried and failed once before, everything just means so much more to you. And we got to the end of that trail. I just wanted to hug both these guys, and we were gonna get that picture finally.
Yay.
I can't see, but it's okay. Give me a real hug.
Oh my God. What a terrible way to end that.
Good job, Jake.
Good job, guys. Awesome. Thanks, Evan.
Good work.
You guys want a beer?
Yeah.
Nice. I was hoping you'd say that.
This accomplishment means an incredible amount to me. Not that no one has ever done this before or anything like that, but just from a personal standpoint, there are a few things in life that I've had to do that were this hard, and that meant so much.
So just finishing the Colorado Trail was, I felt like I was getting my retribution for failing the first time. I have a better kind of feeling overall that, I can adapt and overcome and kind of learn from my mistakes and become better. And so I think that this was just not only making it to the end, but having, I almost say, a fun time doing it was just awesome.
I think it was definitely more meaningful because of the first attempt. I think that's the whole reason we went back, is because we failed so terribly the first time, even with all the support we had. So going back and doing it in, I don't know, what is probably a harder way, made the finish even that much sweeter.